Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two upcoming car brands that are going to be launched in early 2021. So let me talk about them. Let's get started. First of all, let me reveal both the brands. First one is the Citroën and second one is the Haval. Citroën belongs to France because it's a French manufacturing car company, and the Haval belongs to the GWM, that is the Great Wall Motors, which belongs to China, and both the brands are upcoming in early 2021. So first let me talk about the Citroën. So basically the Citroën has its C5 Aircross, which is going to be launched in early 2021.
Tears, they're running all along the darkest road. I try to lie, and I can see your face. Leave this feeling tonight. We all want to change this feeling. We're all gonna waste this
So basically Citroën is a compact SUV. It is a 5-door SUV. It comes in 1.2 liter engine, 1.5 liter engine, 1.6 liter engine and 2 liter engine. It has some other specifications also, which I will talk now. All the engines of the Citroën C5 Aircross come under PureTech turbo engines, and it has both the transmissions, the 6-speed transmission as well as the 8-speed transmission. The Citroën C5 Aircross has a wheelbase of 2730 mm, and it also follows a chronology, that is the Citroën C4 Aircross, Citroën C5 E-State and the Citroën C4 Space Tourer. The C5 Aircross takes the air pumps of the concept on the seals, partially colored as on the recent Citroën C3, and it also has the same features as the Creta, Kia Seltos and all other cars which come under the compact SUV category, and it will give a tough competition to them. So basically the Citroën C5 also offers a panoramic sunroof, and as usual the HD touchscreen, and it has some special features which other cars don't have. That's the automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, And these all technologies are proven of PSA as the best grip control technologies. In the Citron, the acoustic insulation is excellent, and it is a special thanks is given to the specially laminated double glazed windscreen that is only available in the top model. Not much specialized features have been revealed. I think it will be revealed by the end of December this year. So let's move to the next car, that is the Haval Concept H, which is the best car. I think it is much better than Tesla. Let's get started. The next car of ours is Haval, which belongs to the Great Wall Motors, which is situated in China. But I think in India it is going to be launched in early 2021, and it has great features. Actually, it is a glass car. When I saw the car first in Autocar Show, not actually on the venue, but visually on YouTube, it's a totally glass car. Means if outside the external view you look, it looks like exactly just like a Tata Nexon, but when you open the door and get inside, you see glass all around. Starting from the extreme left hand side of the car to the extreme right hand side of the car, you see technology everywhere. Starting from left to right, it is just like a square without a base. Yes, actually I saw that. And that AC vents there, they are having not actually ambient lighting, it's pure white color with a high intensity of ambient lighting. Yes, I will show that clip or the what you call that cinematic shot of that in the end of this video. In the Haval Concept H car, you don't have any button to start the ignition, but just on the place of the gear knob, there's a flat screen just like Tesla. And there, when you get inside the car and you have the key in your pockets, it will show a colorful display on that screen where it will show that start stop. Just you have to touch that screen and your ignition is on. You have to touch that screen and the ignition is off. It's just like Tesla. And it is a big display where you can play games and everything just like Tesla. Features are almost like Tesla, but it is very much cheaper than Tesla. Tesla is $35,000 in US, but as per Haval, I will tell you the price of this car at the end of this video. So what I saw, when you get inside the car and put that button on, it's not the button, it's actually you touch that screen, means totally a screen starts from left hand side, extreme left hand side of the door to extreme right hand side of the door, and you will see all technology, something written all over there, and the screen also starts and the car looks awesome. And the steering wheels are awesome, not like racing wheels, but you will feel luxury and some uniqueness inside the car. So here are the shots of this car. So basically, as per records, as for the Great Wall Motors, the Haval H concept was debuted at the Auto Expo 2020 at New Delhi, and they have also planned to invest around 7,000 crore on their manufacturing plant in India. And also they are going to launch their car Vision 2025. Actually, their simulator was also there at the Auto Expo. Those who have visited, those might have taken that simulation. Let's next talk about the specifications. Actually, both the companies, the Citron and the Great Wall Motors, have not disclosed their particular specifications on it. I think both the companies will disclose by the end of this year, that is around November or December. Let me reveal you the expected prices of both the cars. The Citron C5 Aircross has the expected price of 25 lakhs, and the Haval Concept Edge, as it is a Chinese brand, of course, it has a good budget, means good budget with good amount of unique features. It has expected price is 15 lakhs. So when the specifications will be released, we will make another video. So do like the video, comment down below. If you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe, share as much as you can, because these two brands are the best, will be the best brands, of course, because of their technology, competition and many other aspects. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. Until then, wait for the next video. Thank you.